Chukwu. Come to me in East Los Angeles, California, USA. Come to me in all states in USA. Come to me in California. Come to me in all countries worldwide. All foundations, science and technologies. Come to me there. Come to me on all land, all ocean, air, on all airspace. Into all foundations. And all place they worship. All worship. In all science and technologies. Come to me there. Chukwu, a special general. Chukwu, special general. 22:33 dark all night. Ezumezu. Ezu. E-Z-U-M-E-Z-U. Ezumezu. When you hear about Ezumezu, Ezumezu are talking about all. Where, for instance, you hear about Ezumezu, Ezumezu USA forces. When you hear about Ezumezu USA forces, that means you are calling all the USA forces, both men and women, all that serve in the past, all still serving present, all veterans, all tigers, all retired, all. When you say Ezumezu, that means you summon all and say anchor here. That means let's anchor here. Then everybody come together here. Then now we are talking about Ezumezu. The energy now. Ezumezu. Agwu-Arobunagu. Agwu. A-G-W. You know, we have different Agwu. A-G-W. We have the good side, the good Agwu. We have the bad Agwu, causing problem. Agwu are like a feminine energy. Some in the other country call them goddess. We have the good Agwu. The good. The good Agwu. They are like mother. To all. Then the Agwu I'm talking about now, the Agwu-Arobunagu. Agwu-Arobunagu, A-G-W, Agwu. Then you put a hyphen, like little dash, hyphen, to include. Then you say Arobunagu, A-R-O-B-U-N-A-G-U, Arobunagu, Agwu-Arobunagu. That means you are talking about the feminine part, Agwu, feminine part. But like now, I did the first video, I said Arobunagu, the masculine energy. Then now, Agwu-Arobunagu, that means the Agwu-Arobunagu, the wife, direct wife, to Arobunagu, they are the reason they call them Agwu-Arobunagu. And when Arobunagu, the masculine part, that masculine energy, all, when they are going to any place, when they are moving in group and forward, they move with the feminine. They move with Agwu-Arobunagu, their wives. You remember, I always tell you, and I continue to tell you guys, they are nature. These energies are nature. When you were born in this world, when you came here in the world, in the hospital or any place, they get birth to you. You are either male or female. Only these two gender. You are masculine or you are feminine. You are male or female. That's all. Then when these energies they summon, they come. They show you they are masculine and feminine. To come to them, to be worthy, to stand in their presence, to even summon them and ask them to do something. You must give yourself the orientation. You promote male and female, male versus female, marriage and relationship, dating. That's they are the first requirement. Other stuff we are practicing, they have nothing against you, but never summon them. Because summon them like you want to try them and see what they can do. I'm telling you the truth. They are nature. Your eye, you have two eyes, you have two nose, you have two ears, you have the two lips, the upper lips, lower lips. You have two hands, you have two legs. Eh? When they come, they show you they are straight and they have their wife too. They are both masculine and feminine. Eh? Then Agwu-Arobunagu, the feminine, and Akwukwa. Eh? Akwukwa are the spiritual forces. Yeah? Feminine energy, they are feminine energy. And wine. Feminine energy and spiritual forces to all the females. They help the male, they help all, but they are feminine. Yeah? They are feminine energy. And most of the females work with Akwukwa. A-K-W-U-K-W-A. Akwukwa. The feminine energy, the feminine part. Eh? And now, like technologies, energies stand up. All exumes in the ancient time, in the present time, and in the future. Yeah? And our feminine, all the females, they are individual Agwu-Arobunagu, the power, the feminine power, the energy. And our females, they are individual Akwukwa. And all the spirit energies, the feminine energies, you have been hearing in the ancient time and in the present time, all the goddesses, they are Agwu-Arobunagu and they are Akwukwa. Yeah? Wherever they are, in all the elements, to bring them together. I use male cow, female cows, roosters, hens, rams, you can get mother goats, all 33. Yeah? Bring all together. Come, Tuino BOD, bring them together. And put 33 uncooked eggs, drinks, wine. Come together to answer this prayer. And all worldwide come together and prayer. We stand up on all land, all ocean, all airspace. We skyrocket to sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxies, cosmos, solar system, infinities, orbit, asteroid, heaven, earth, black hole, pot. We stand up in Nigeria, Africa, Europe, Asia, Middle East, American continent, USA, all states in USA, all countries, and Mexico, all transfer to all. They are for free. Transfer to all for free. We use water, boil, eggs, drinks, all that goes into the body that are good. To 247 Unlimited. Welcome all their power. Authorities, manifestation, stand firm moving forward into our body, both masculine and feminine, our body, foundation, science and technologies, universal worldwide science and technologies, transfer to USA, all states in USA, transfer to government, California state government, transfer to California government office, transfer to our governor here in California, Gavin Newsom, transfer to LA County, transfer to Kerim Bass, our mayor, transfer to Mike Gibson, the assembly member in Carson, and transfer to Carson City, transfer to all for free, transfer to all police, sheriff, CIA, Secret Service, FBI, military, Navy, Air Force, Marine, Coast Guard, Border Patrol, Custom, Immigration, transfer to them for free. And continue moving them forward. Transfer to all the security company, Homeland Security, Allied Universal Security, transfer to Securitas, transfer to all hospitals, dental, psych ward, recuperative care, all ER, all emergency, transfer to them there. Transfer to Serenity recuperative care, all their site, all their foundation, transfer to them and continue moving them forward. Transfer to all. I mentioned your name, I didn't mention your name. Transfer to all. Transfer to Nkwuaku family, my family. Transfer to Agwu-Arobunagu family. All our friends and well-wishers, all our lovers, transfer to them. Transfer to all Igbos worldwide, all Igbo land. Transfer to Enugu, Agwu-Ukwu, Nawabia, Enugu Agede. Nise Nibo. Transfer to all. Transfer to all the Igbos in our home, in diaspora. Transfer to them. All my prayer transfer to all for free and moving us forward. Someribi, Sanko FM Chief Priest Peter Odira Nkwuaku in Los Angeles, California, USA. Chief Priest World, Chief Priest USA. Agwu-Arobunagu ekene ngi oy. Agwu-Arobunagu ekene ngi oy. Ịma na ekene mmanwụ juru kpa. Oya oyewu. Agwu-Arobunagu ekene ngi oy. Agwu-Arobunagu ekene ngi oy. Ịma na ekene mmanwụ juru kpa. Oya oyewu. Akwukwa ekene ngi oy. Akwukwa ekene ngi oy. Ịma na ekene mmanwụ juru kpa. Oya oyewu. Agwu-Arobunagu ekene ngi oy. Akwukwa ekene ngi oy. Ịma na ekene mmanwụ juru kpa. Oya oyewu. Agwu-Arobunagu bụ na mmụọ ndị nna nna anyị oy. Akwukwa bụ na mmụọ ndị nna nna anyị oy. Agwu-Arobunagu na-ekene ngi oy. Akwukwa na-ekene ngi oy. Ịma na ekene mmanwụ juru kpa. Oya oyewu. All my prayer past in the present, and all this prayer, more and future upcoming, transfer to all airports worldwide, all airports and all airline, all flying in the air, helicopter, airline, private jet, all transfer to all their foundation, science and technologies, transfer to them. All airports, all airline, worldwide, USA Airlines, all foreign in all countries, their airports, all my prayer, transfer to them, transfer to all the airplanes, all flying there. No more plane crash, and continue to move them forward. Someribi, Sanko FM Chief Priest Peter Odira Nkwuaku in Los Angeles, California, USA. Chief Priest World, Chief Priest USA. Forward. Ine egbu megbu, bube mu na mmanwụ mo, ọja welele. Ine egbu megbu, bube mu na mmanwụ mo, ọja welele egwu mo. Ọja welele ka njaga, ọja welele egwu mo. Ọja welele ka njanari, ọja welele. Ine egbu megbu, bube mu na mmanwụ mo, ọja welele. Ejela afọ, were onu mara m, were onu chọba m n'ụtegbe ma malụ m. Ya ka o ji ruo mbọsị ahụ mpụta na nkwọ nkwude Teresa arụ ya bụ sa aja oyi. Ndị ọnụ Teresa obodo gịnị mere gị? Ọsị mụ na mgba agbalụ na va anwụdelu ya oyi. Imekwasị mụ na oche ọ nọ na ya nụtụrụ ya oyi. Were onu malụ m, were onu chọba m n'ụtegbe ma malụ m.